everyone, so today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite go-to styles for when my hair is super dirty, and that would be why I'm applying some dry shampoo. But this is a side Dutch braid with a messy bun, and like I said, it only takes 5 minutes, so we're going to get started. To begin, just part your hair to the side, and I just kind of brush it out. So to begin, you're just going to take a little section of hair near your part in the front, and you're going to divide this into 3 separate sections, and this is going to be the beginning of your braid. So to start the braid, you're going to take your hand that's in the back and you're going to reach underneath the middle strand and grab the front strand. So this is starting the braid. It's a little tricky. And then you're going to take your front hand and grab the back strand and pull it underneath the middle part of your braid. So now you're going to start incorporating hair. And so as you can see, I just grabbed a piece of hair from outside of my 3 separate strands, and then I'm pulling the strand that's with it underneath the middle section. So it's really right and left side or front and back, and you're pulling it underneath the middle section of the braid. And you just kind of keep doing that to make the Dutch braid. But really, it's just kind of about coordinating your hands, and if it takes you a few tries to get it right, that's okay. It took me a long time to learn how to do this, but once you know how, it's like riding a bike. So once you reach the top of your ear, you're going to stop incorporating new hair from the outside, and you're just going to continue braiding what you have in your hands all the way down, and then tie it off with a clear elastic. And that's the braid. That's the hardest part. So after that, we're going to do a messy bun and we'll be finished. And I've shared this before in my braid videos, but the secret to making it look chunky is just to pull it apart as much as you can. And that's what makes it look like it's thick and kind of gives it that illusion, but really, my hair is not that thick. So just pull it apart and do what you can, and it'll look super thick and chunky. And you can wear your hair down with your braid tied back, just pinned back. I do that a lot, or you can make a messy bun. So right now I'm just kind of teasing the hair at the crown of my head and teasing the bottom just because I have really thin hair. And there's really no specific art to this. This is how I do it. But you're going to take the hair that's not in your braid and just make a low bun right at the nape of your neck where your hairline meets your neck, and just pull it through, and it's going to be pretty tight, but I end up just kind of pulling it out to make it look fuller and more puffy. And then if some of the hair comes out, it's not a huge deal because I'm going to pin it up anyway. So once you've kind of secured your bun, you're going to take your braid and you're just going to wrap it underneath the bun and then around. So depending on how long your hair is, it might go around a couple times, but just kind of conceal it, and you can just pin it in place after that. And I kind of look mad in this video, I noticed, but I'm not. It's just nap time and I'm trying to be quiet, and yeah. My camera was having some technical difficulties though, so I was a little upset about that, but promise I'm not mad. I'm pretty happy. But anyway, so yeah, I'm just kind of fixing up how it looks, pulling out some last minute strands, face framing, hair, and just kind of making it look uniform. And then this last step is just to kind of blend in the hair at your crown so that it looks blended and not kind of piecey from the braid. And you're done. So it's pretty easy. Let me know if you guys try this out. Be sure to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it, and let me know what you thought in the comments. Thanks for watching.